Alright, my friends. So, we are in a place that I love to come. I don't film a lot when I come here, but I'm gonna include you guys today. In here is one of their special spots. This is what I call the Makamah tribe. It's for a reason. Yeah, right down in there. I don't know what's so special about it, but this is where they like to go. Maybe they're up on the hills somewhere. And I don't know. I can't really get back in there. And then there's actually a house about a couple hundred yards back on the hill. It's a huge house. I'm not gonna go that way today. I'll show you why. I'm doing some gifting, and I'm not gonna put that part on camera, but the gifting site is this way. I can't believe how full it is in here. I'm actually not supposed to be on my feet. I just promised the doctor 10 minutes ago that I wouldn't go and do any of this stuff. But being I was all the way over here and I haven't been all season, I couldn't pass up the opportunity. So it is going to be brief, but I got a nice game trail going straight down. Whoa. What the? Oh. It's got to be the birds. Sorry, guys. I don't have nothing for you today. I'm sorry. They remember me? There's so much different wildlife in this preserve that it's amazing. Like, the amount of different birds that are just in this one section is mind-blowing. Mind-blowing. Please excuse my camera work. I'm a little off today. I'm surprised it's so full in here. I might have trouble. I've got to come back. I gotta come back in here. This is beautiful. What is that? Is that a moth? This is wood, I guess, with a knot on it. Oh, look, maybe, I don't know. Might be some kind of elemental I'm not familiar with. Hi, buddy. This tree right here. Basically, this is one of the better spots for hill hiking. It winds in and out. Then it ends up You wind in around and come back around and you go up there. We did some creek walking all the way in the back one day. Like, I mean, this place is huge. I didn't know. I had it split up into 2 different locations, not knowing that they connect for a while. I didn't know they all connect, but this is Bubba's extended area. This is real close to him. It's just, this is a different tribe. You know, he's a small family group, so I'm not really even sure what tribe he belongs to, or, you know what I mean? Or if it's just them. I don't have an answer to that, but... Let me see if I can clean this lens up a little bit. Okay. I'm doing tick checks because I don't have my car, so I have my bag. I don't know if there's bug spray in it. I forgot to look. For those of you who might be new here, while I try to stay full screen, reason being is, even if I zoom, no big deal, right? But it doesn't matter if I'm zoomed or not. If you are on full screen, on your phone or your tablet, or your touch screen laptop, you can zoom in. You can pinch the screen and zoom in up to 8 times. So, say we're zoomed in times 3 right now, you can go in 8 times on that. If we're zoomed in times 10, you can go in 8 times from that. I'll try and go distance and show you. Let's try and find long distance. Like so, in between there, let's say we're trying to see something back there, that's times 20. If there was something a little further that I couldn't make out or whatever, you guys can. You can pull it in, and I appreciate that. Some of you are really good, like Mark, you're really good about CP. Some of you guys are great with it. When you leave the timestamps, you also say, like, I zoomed in a little extra, like I zoomed in 2.3 or whatever it is. It makes a huge difference for the people who are checking out those timestamps. So thank you guys, all of you. You're great. I'm just giving a little credit where it's due. So anyone who sends in timestamps, feel free. There's an email. I don't check it often. So now we have a Discord too. Feel free, guys. You can drop pictures in there if you want. You know, you could communicate with each other, show each other what you found, you know, whatever. And then I have another Facebook group too, if you guys are interested. So you can do that there too. I left them both wide open, so you guys can do, you know, whatever's clever. I'm really feeling the effects of the procedure I just went through. So I'm gonna kind of bow out of here. Give me 1 sec so I can do my gifting, and then I'll come back and finish the video. Alright guys, come back down from the gifting site. So as much as I want to spend time here, I gotta get out of here. That is pretty cool. I didn't notice that on the way up. Iron sights. Oh, look at that up in the tree. Oh, that is badass. I'm happy I looked back here. Took a picture of this. Also, guys, if you're like just getting into this and you don't see what people see or something, don't get discouraged. You know what I mean? If you've got the ability to hang in there and not just give up or like, you know, make fun of it like some people do and, you know, just crap on it because it's different. If you have the ability to hang in the pocket and try to learn and figure it out, then you're way ahead of the pack. It took me a long time to be able to see things on the camera. I would see things in person and then have trouble afterwards. And now it's just literally, it's more natural for me. I see things this way more naturally than I do otherwise. Alright, hang on. I'm going to take a... it always looks so much different when I do it on selfie mode. It doesn't take in the big picture. Love it though. This is one of my favorite spots. Really, you know, Long Island's really easy hiking, so if anybody ever wants to come out here, and it's pretty much, this is as hilly as it gets and as difficult as it gets, unless we do bluff hiking. That's different. But this stuff is fairly simple. A lot of it's flat land. So we came up that way. So we'll use the joining trail. To come back. There's a lot up there too. It goes around the backside on the top of the hill. I never go up there really. I couldn't tell you why. I just don't. It's not like it's a bad thing. It's awesome up there. Yeah, the game goes through here. So that spot we were talking about in the beginning is like right through this brush. So I wonder if it's game trail related. It's probably just something that I'm not privy to, you know. Or maybe the sunbeam's down right there, but I don't think that's it either, because one time we had a cool sighting of a juvenile, really young, and it was like in the shade, but oh, hi buddy. I didn't even see you, my friend. Hi. You're a little guy. You're okay. I promise you're okay. Yeah, you don't even care that I'm here. You're just eating, hanging out. You trust me, that's good. I'm gonna go nice and easy, okay, pal? Alright, have a good day. Have a good day. Tractor trailers echo like crazy. I noticed tractor trailers and Harleys or motorcycles, muscle cars are the worst probably though. But they travel like all the way through. The sound, I mean. Ow! I caught this thing on the way in too. It's a thorn bush. It literally, it hooked me on the way in. And then I got it on the way out too. Alright guys, I gotta wrap this up. Unfortunately, I'm not in a good enough condition to carry on. It's really hot out here. That's a nice, that's a real pronounced game trail. But you can see the ground isn't, I don't know if you can see, but the ground isn't beat up, right? Like deer go through it, like a normal game trail. So I'm curious to see what makes that. All right, my friends, appreciate you being here. I know it was a short, quick one, but you know, I wanted to bring you something. All right, it's break time for me. I gotta go recuperate. Thank you, and have a blessed day.